Hi everyone, this is Deborah and I'm back at the sewing machine again, and I'm going to try something different with the Snippet Rolls. So I'm wanting to use my ribbons. I have heaps and heaps of ribbons. So I've got this piece of scrapbooking paper and I thought that I would just put some ribbons on it and see if I can then chop it up and make snippet rolls with it. Now there'll be a point when you've done about half the sheet where it's probably prudent to turn it around and start from here and work out to the edge. Otherwise your paper will start getting caught up in this, the throat of the machine, this part in here. Get all this stuff out of my lap. It's all over the floor, it's all over me, it's everywhere. It's pretty typical for me. And I'll just go and cut this up and I'll show you what it looks like when I've chopped it up. Actually, it looks really nice just like that, doesn't it? And I think that that looks pretty cool. So if I wanted to, I could go and join them all together, which I probably will, and then I can roll them onto, another cotton reel. And that would be something then that I can use in my junk journals, and it's all done. As a starting point, as a pocket, I might cut some wider, I'm not sure yet, but there you go, it's all done and it's ready to become part of my junk journals. Until next time, this is Deborah. Thanks for watching me. Cheers.